Look, if you must put a big wing on your Porsche, especially if you own a 992 GT3 RS, you make sure you do it from the Manthey kit. This is the Manthey kit. A lot of Porsche enthusiasts were waiting for it to come out. It officially has been revealed, and we're gonna get into it. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are rocking with the content, remember to hit that thumbs up and the subscribe for your boy. Let's keep on rocking. So yeah, the Manthey kit has officially been revealed. Manthey kit, for you guys that don't know about it, Manthey kit, this is a collaboration between Porsche and Manthey. Porsche actually owns a portion of them. So it's set to create about 20% more downforce. It's set to create 2,200 pounds of downforce, and it's going to shave about 25% of the weight. Now, there is a big question to be had within the enthusiasts that says, does it significantly improve the vehicle? Well, it doesn't touch the engine, I'll tell you that, but it does give it a bunch of new stuff, including, and we can see in this picture here, a top view picture here, this huge carbon cover where the rear window would be. You have this huge carbon cover, and this is where the wing is coming out of. If you guys remember the Mustang GTD, this is kind of like the same wing that's coming out of the GTD, the same kind of design coming out of the back, but obviously it's a bit different. You also have this covers on the wheels here. By the way, these are magnesium wheels, so super lightweight. You also have these carbon fiber covers in the back of the wheels and only in the rear back, which gives it, I mean, I think aesthetically this car looks amazing. And I just think it looks cool. I think if you're a Porsche enthusiast, like, this is a love at first sight, to be honest. So what does this kit cost? And we're going to get into the pictures of the kit. We're going to see what it gives. So this kit's going to cost you around anywhere between 76 to 78,000 euros, which includes it equals to be like around $80,000. Now you have to also remember that you are spending $241,000 on a standard GT3 RS, so you have to add that extra $80,000. But again, if you're a Porsche enthusiast and you actually are able to afford a 992 GT3 RS, I think you're gonna be okay in purchasing a $80,000 kit for your Porsche. So Manthey Racing, I keep calling it Manthey. So Manthey Racing has released a performance package, we're going to get into all the article, that generates around 2,200 pounds of downforce. So the 76,911 thousand euros kit includes a carbon fiber panel that replaces the back window with things, a larger wing and plates, and an aero wheel cover. We're gonna go look at this aero wheel cover closely. It's so cool. It says Porsche on the top, Manthey on one side, and I love the fact that it's only on the rear wheels. That is so insane. Now I also want to look at this picture. Look at the inside here. This is the pillar that you can see that it says Manthey, and it illuminates the bottom. I mean this is a god. This is, if the gods created a car, this would be it. So the stock GT3 already generates 1,900 pounds of downforce. This one upgrades it to 2,200. And let's get into the article and let's see what else it says about it. So naturally, the extra force requires obviously new suspension. So the kit includes special springs that make the front 30% more stiffers, that make the rear 14% more stiffers in the back. It also has revised dampeners that can be adjusted electronically through 3 modes, or it could be adjusted manually in the track setting. Racing spec brake pads round up the mechanical changes, but the Manthey kit does not touch the engine. You have to also think that since Porsche owns a certain percentage of Manthey, I think it might be like 50 or 60% of it, everything here falls within Porsche's specification. And what that does is that it doesn't void your warranty, which is something that's pretty crazy. So you are getting the carbon fiber wheel cover, magnesium wheels, the huge canards in the front that we can see here. The big, I call it huge, but they're actually just, you know, they're not that huge, but they're there and they're pretty big. You can see them in the front end. You also are going to get the pillar that's in the middle. You're going to get the huge wing in the back. You're going to get the upgraded brakes. You're going to get the suspension bits. All in all, the total package, it's going to cost around $80,000. We're going to see, this is a picture here at the track. Could be at the Nürburgring. And I really like this picture. This huge wing stands out so much. And it's so nice. And that cover in the back of the wheel, like I said, man, if this is a car, the gods created a car, this would be it. This is the front end of the picture here. We see the tow hook latch there just kind of hanging. We see the canards on the side of the front bumper. We also see the carbon fiber splitter in the front, and we see the entrance for more downforce coming on the side of the fenders there. This is just by all means So cool. There's obviously tons of videos of this car all over the interweb, the old interweb. You also see the roll cage, but a 992 GT3, it's obviously going to set you back $241,000, and then this kid's going to set you back another $80,000. So that's obviously something to definitely think about. Now, the Manthey kit hasn't been really tested at the track, because when they went to do actually a track test, the weather was kind of horrible, and they haven't really gotten a number yet to what it can do with the, with the huge carbon fiber upgrades, the 25% lighter, the 2200 extra downforce that it creates. We're gonna see some great numbers coming out of this vehicle. But anyways, this is the Manthey kit. It has been released. I really think it makes a huge difference. You gotta remember, Manthey is run by the brothers Nicolas and Martin Ryder. I don't want to murder his name. And Porsche owns majority of the stakes in the Manthey Racing. It's holding about 51% of the stakes. So the good thing is that it doesn't avoid your warranty. If you guys are rocking with the content, remember to hit that thumbs up and the subscribe for your boy. Let's keep on rocking, and I am out of here.